Guys, as I predicted in my first video of today, if you haven't seen that, take a look at that for sure on my channel. I predicted that Bitcoin is going to break out since at that point of time the 4-hourly chart already began slowly creeping above our symmetrical triangle resistance line, and now as you can see the 4-hourly just completely exploded right before we closed it. So the bulls really waited till the very end before we opened the 4-hourly candle and pumped it to a new high for this rally. I mean, we reached our price target of $48,000. I remember I got some comments, I think two, from people that were saying that they don't expect the pump to go up to $48,000. But I knew that if the bulls would manage to reverse back into the symmetrical triangle, that the bears wouldn't stand a chance because they wasted all their money already trying to push the bears out of this symmetrical triangle. So right now everything is looking very good. If we take a look also on the kleiner time frames at the VPVR, we can already see that we are now actually, if I zoom out a little bit more, I think we even have to enter the daily chart for this. And as always, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, write a comment, share the video with your friends. That's really what's supporting me at this point of time, since my channel sadly isn't in the YouTube ranking yet. So sharing the video really makes a big difference for me. And other than that, guys, during the video I will also give you an update on my trades, since I scaled them up a little bit. As you can see, guys, I have now again $10 million in long positions open at the moment, with a combined profit of almost $1.3, $1.4, $1.5 million now. So our trades are also looking very good. So during the video I will also give you an update on those trades. But let's return to the VPVR and the daily chart. And what we can already see is that Bitcoin almost, and I think that was very important, that Bitcoin left behind our at least it's not confirmed yet. I mean, we have to close the daily now above the $48,500 level to make it confirmed. But we also left behind the most volume from our small horizontal resistance we had in this area. So Bitcoin was all the time facing some horizontal resistance in general from this VPVR, small mountain in a kind of way on the VR, we got like some horizontal resistance that we now broke out of as well. So as long as we close the daily chart at those heights, I'm pretty sure that Bitcoin has a very good chance of continuing this uptrend in the next couple of days and reaching our price target of $50,000. As I mentioned before, guys, I will take profits at $50,000, $51,000 and wait for the next continuation pattern to form. I think that we will reach the $50,000 level. I think we could even reach a new all-time high, the $68,000 level, where our 11-year resistance line lies. I think we could even reach that in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, at $50,000 and $50,000, at $50,000 and $51,000, and at around $60,000, I will definitely take some profits, and I will only scale up my positions again in the case that we break this 11-year resistance. I think if we break this 11-year resistance on the weekly chart, this would be a legendary thing, because this never happened in any other bull market before. So I'm expecting an immense rally if the bulls would be able to do so, and then I think would be the perfect time to scale up the positions again after taking some profits in the lower $50,000-$60,000 area after the breakout above 70,000, above this 11-year resistance. I think will be a perfect time to then rescale the positions. But if I see anything else in the charts, I will definitely let you guys know. I mean, as we expected, also the weekly chart now is closing beautifully with this pump. If we can keep or hold those gains that I mean, Bitcoin is even pumping higher, 48,800, another high right there. Our trade's definitely now in a $500,000 profit, and we already took around $450,000 in the last couple of weeks of this trades in profit. So in total we are definitely reaching now the $2 million profit on those trades alone. So this is also looking very good. But still, like I said, on the smaller time frames, I mean, we always have to expect a retest. We can never be sure that this rally just continues. We always have to expect that Bitcoin maybe today or during the day tomorrow does another bigger correction, drops down to $64,800, $64,500 again before reversing and really continuing this uptrend. There's no guarantee that we are just going to shoot up to 50k now without any reversal, but I think we are pretty much very set for both options. I mean, we have our long positions open. If we should drop down to the 46,700 level again, I think it wouldn't be any problem. I think we would just see a retest on the 4 hourlies, and the daily candles probably in the next couple of days will all be pretty nice and green, or just like a small red candle in between, like for example like this red candle here, which is just like a small a small consolidation phase on the smaller time frames, right? Such a daily candle I could imagine as well tomorrow. But in general, things are looking very good. We broke out of all our bullish chart patterns. We have a very bullish looking weekly chart if we close it like this above our 11-year resistance. So I really think that we don't have to worry about too much at the moment. Just like I said, taking profits now and then is always a good idea, to not be to stop being completely exposed to the risk of another drop coming. But either way, guys, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment, and like I said, sharing the video would help me a lot. And I hope to see you guys in the next one, maybe later today, even 3 uploads a day. I'm not quite sure if this is going to happen. Really depends on what the Bitcoin price does. But I would say, let's see us in the next one. Bye bye.